Video, I will show you a new way of making money online with no investment at all. As always, you know that I'm doing that. And it's a very easy way that's suitable to everyone. You pretty much need to copy a text, paste it, and just do it over and over and over again, and you make money of it. Everybody can do it. Literally, like you'll use another website to verify the text. So simple, and everybody can do it. Let's go.
All right, so first things first, you want to go to a website called Creative Jobs. So you will just type cjinc.info and you'll get to this main website right here. But know that you have a lot of other companies offering proofreading jobs. So if you type on Google proofreading jobs, you will see you have a lot of companies that will offer you the opportunity to work as a proofreader. So you can go ahead and apply to as many companies as you want. It's really up to you what you want to do, but you see 35 best online proofreading jobs. So yeah, go ahead if you want, just do some research and you can apply to whatever company you want, but we'll have a look at this one here. So this one is called Creative Jobs. As you can see, you can make money with typing jobs, proofreading, translation, advertising, market research, and online teaching. So we want to know as well, want to make sure we can do it everywhere. So yes, we can. And you can get paid via PayPal, check, or bank transfer, which is very handy. So here we want to have a look at the proofreading job. So let's go have a look. You will see that you can get paid from $5 to $10 per 1,000 words. I've done a lot of proofreading jobs, and 1,000 words will take you, normally when you do it on your own, it can take you an hour. Okay, so that's if you just do it yourself, you're not using any tool to help you. So that's that. So know that here they give you a little bit more information about the payment, how much can you expect as a proofreader. So here they tell you $5 per page, and if you do 10 files, of course, you'll make $50. So if you do that 25 days, you will make that much per month. Okay, so you can do it anywhere. And the payment, as I told you before, you can get paid via PayPal, check, or money transfer. And you get paid once a month on the 15th of each month. So first thing you want to do, you want to apply for jobs. So you will click here and you will just apply for jobs. So here you'll have a form to fill, which is this one. So you just go on here and fill in the registration form. Okay, so you want to make sure that you select proofreading jobs right here, or if you want to try another job you can, but for this example we're doing proofreading, so you'll select proofreading job. Make sure that you indicate that you're a freelancer. Put like the 2 time slots here so you can get more jobs. Make sure you select that you're okay working with multiple companies. Indicate the method of payment that you prefer, and that's it. You just sign here and submit. Okay, so then you will receive some texts, and I will show you exactly an example right here. So you will receive some text like this one. So what you want to do, you will copy this text. So this is, let's say you need to proofread this text. So you will copy it and then you will search on Google slickright.com. So that's the website you will use to literally proofread the text for you. So okay, so we're on slickright.com. You will just select start writing, and I'll give you an example. So here I have a text. So this is what it's going to look like. You will receive a text to proofread. So you'll just copy the text and you will paste it right here. And this website is just going to correct the text for you, verify everything. You just click on continue here and here. That's all you have to do. You just then have to, you can read it out, make sure everything looks good. And once that's done, you will just copy the text again and then send it back to the company. And that's it. You just need to do it over and over again. Make sure you apply to multiple companies if you want, so you can maximize your income, because you might not receive a lot of work from this one company, but if you have a lot of companies, that will assure you to make a consistent online income with that. And that's all. That's as simple as that. So hopefully you can try it out, and if you did try, leave a comment below as well and let me know how you found the experience.
I hope you did find this video very helpful. If it was helpful in any way, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate that. And I'll try to make more videos consistently. I've been a little bit lazy lately, but I'll make sure to change that. And there's also another way that I use to make money online, literally passively, and it's called affiliate marketing. You're probably familiar with this. So if you're not familiar and you would want to know more about it, I'll leave a link below. If you click this link, you'll have access to my free ebook, and you'll have a ton of tips explaining to you exactly how it works and how you can make money online without investing a lot of money at all. The investment is very low, and the returns are incredible. So it's worth it for everybody to give it a shot. And that's all for this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!